Hi everyone, in this video I am explaining one of the Python program which was asked me in the interview. So it was related to string. The program is to reverse the string. So this was the sentence given. So it should reverse word by word, not each and every letter. So only words must be reversed. So this was the output given. The output must be in this way. So let's solve this program. So first this string was given in the form of sentence, right? So what we have to do, we have to break that sentence into different words. So how you can do, split that all the sentences into different words is by using split method. So what was our string? str dot, I am using the method split. So how we were splitting it? Wherever the space occurs, it should split the word. So a single inverted comma and space. Okay, I am assigning this into one variable, let's say words. Okay, next here I am using for loop I in words, colon, I am reversing. How many words are there in this? 5 words, right? So I'm not reading from left to right. I'm reading from right to left. So what I'm reading now? Last word I'm reading first. So this is the last word. Enter the loop. So here what I'm reading last word. I have to create one more variable here. Output equal to empty string. Okay, I'm taking one empty string. So output, this last word I am adding into this empty variable output. So what is our word? I, right? I. So now word is what? Technology. This word I added to output. So after adding every words into this output variable, I have to apply the space for every words. Okay, take enter, print. Okay, output. Now let's run and see the program. So here we have to play the colon. Okay, now you can see last word it displays first, and fourth word second, third word third, second word fourth, and first word fifth. This is in this way it works. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe my channel, and if you have any doubts related to Java and Python, you can comment me in the comment box. So definitely I will try to make video on those topics. Thank you.